Welcome to this new academic year, children. In Maths, we are going to learn Cartesian product of sets from chapter 1, Relations and Functions. Definition of Cartesian product. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all order pairs of small a, small b such that small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B is called the Cartesian product of capital A and capital B and is denoted by capital A cross capital B. Thus, capital A cross capital B equal to ordered pair of small a, small b, where small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. What is Cartesian product of sets? Let us understand this using an example of two sets. We have two sets with us. The first set A represent alphabet and the second set B represent numbers. So we can represent the two sets like this. Set A contains elements A, B and set B contains element 1, 2, 3. Now we can understand this using an arrow diagram. Set A on the left and set B on the right. We can map 3 arrows from A. Similarly, we can draw 3 arrows from B. In short, we use arrows to map every element in set A to every element in set B. So, you will get A cross B equal to the ordered pairs of A, 1, A, 2, A, 3, B, 1, B, 2, B, 3. This list is complete because we get all the possible ways between the elements of A and B. Now closely look at the first order pair A, 1, where A belongs to set A and 1 belongs to set B. A and 1 separated by commas and enclosed in brackets. This complete set of order pairs of A and B is nothing but Cartesian product of set. Cartesian product is written as A cross B. Notice that order pairs are enclosed in curly brackets and separated by commas. So remember that curly brackets are used to enclose the element in a set. Now we are going to find B cross A. The element for B is 1, 2, 3 and the elements for set A is A, B. Now you are going to map 1 with A and B and 2 with A and B and 3 with A and B. Then you will get the order pairs of 1, A, 1, B, 2, A, 2, B, 3, A, 3, B. Now compare the order pairs of A cross B and B cross A. You can find that take one of the order pair from A cross B, that is A, 1 and here 1, A. It won't be same. So you can say A cross B is not equal to B cross A. You can compare that A, 1 is not equal to 1, A. You may think both the elements inside are same only. Here also A, 1, here is 1, A, but they are belongs to different sets. Here the first element A belongs to the set A and 1 belongs to the set B. This side 1 belongs to set B and A belongs to set A. So same way you can compare the remaining order pair, but it is enough to take one order pair and you can differentiate and you can say A cross B is not equal to B cross A. See this question. Here B cross A equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. You have to find A and B. Here I have separated the elements of B in black colors and I have separated the element of A in red colors. So here black elements, black color and all belongs to the set B and red color element and all belong to the set A. So first A is set of second coordinate of the element of B cross A. Therefore, A is equal to, what are the elements we are seeing here in red color? That is 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. So you have to write only one time. A is equal to 3, 4. And B equal to set of first coordinate of elements of B cross A. So what are the element in B color? Minus 2, minus 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. You have to write only one time. Minus 2, 3, 0. Okay. See this question. Let A is equal to x belongs to n. N means natural number 1 less than x less than 4. B equal to x belongs to whole number 0 less than or equal to x less than 2. And C equal to x less, it belongs to n, x less than 3. And then verify that A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. So this is in the set builders notation. So you can't use this for finding this verification. So you have to convert the set builders form to roster form. So how you can convert? Using this condition given, we are going to convert. So natural number starts from 1. So 1 less than x less than 4. Between 1 and 4, what are the numbers you will have? 2 and 3. So set A equal to 2, 3. Now set B. B equal to x belongs to whole number. Whole number starts from 0. 0 less than or equal to x less than 2. Here equal to sign is there, means you have to take that number also. Here what number you have? 0. So less than 2, what are the numbers you will have? 0, 1. So set B equal to 0, 1. And C is equal to x belongs to natural number. Less than 3, what are the natural number? 1, 2. So now we got in roster form. Now it is easy for us to solve this verification. Now I have taken here the LHS. LHS is equal to A cross B union C. Whatever given in the bracket, that you have to find first. So B union C. What is our B element? 0, 1 union. C element is 1, 2. So union means you have to put together all the elements in one set. So you will have 0, 1 in both the sets. So commonly you write only one time. So 0, 1, 2. Now A cross B union C. So A element is 2, 3 cross B union C is what you found out? 0, 1, 2. Now you have to map. So 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. This you take it as 1. Equation 1. Next you are going to find our RHS. RHS is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So first you find whatever inside the bracket. First bracket is A cross B. What element of A is 2, element of set A is 2, 3 and element of set B is 0, 1. So you are going to map 2, 0 and 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1. Same way you have to do for A cross C. Map it 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Now you are going to combine together and find the right hand side. That is A cross B union A cross C. So you are writing the order pair and you are going to union it. So you will get 2, 0. 2, 1 in both the Cartesian product. So you can write only one time. And then 3, 0. Then 3, 1. Then remaining you can write 3, 2 and 2, 2 also one time. This is your second equation. Now you can compare both your left hand side and right hand side. You can see both the order pairs are same. They will be equal. Then you can say from 1 and 2, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Hence it's verified. Note, if A equal to B, then A comma B equal to B comma A. The Cartesian product is also referred as cross product. A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A. A cross B equal to null set if and only if A equal to null set or B equal to null set. If n of A equal to P and n of B equal to Q, then n of A cross B equal to PQ. Thank you, children.